Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to withdraw a MATIC from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know MATIC, also known as the Polygon token, is a popular choice for fast and cheap transactions. Whether you're moving funds for trading, staking, or just diversifying your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you there smoothly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Uphold. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your MATIC wallet. It should be listed under your assets. Click on it to access your balance. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is usually a button right there in the wallet interface. Before you proceed, double-check that you have enough MATIC to cover any network fees, as crypto transfers aren't free. Now, enter the destination. That's your Uphold wallet address. Heads up, make sure you're using the correct network. MATIC on Coinbase is often on the Ethereum network, so select that to avoid any issues. If Uphold supports the Polygon network directly, you might have options, but always verify to prevent lost funds. Once you've entered the amount and the address, review everything carefully. You'll see a summary of the transaction, including estimated fees and processing time. Hit confirm, and Coinbase will process your withdrawal. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Crypto can be unpredictable. After the transfer, hop over to your Uphold account to confirm the MATIC has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Check your transaction history on Coinbase and ensure there are no errors. A pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. That way, you're keeping your assets secure. And there you have it. Your MATIC is now in Uphold, ready for whatever's next. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.